Hey there, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be whipping up some deliciousness. Vegan style. Get ready for 3 easy and oh so quick desserts that will satisfy your sweet tooth and nourish your body. And the best part? We'll be diving into some fun facts about the ingredients we're using. Because knowledge is power, honey. First up, we're going to make a vegan chocolate mousse that's so good, you'd never believe it's vegan. This recipe is so simple, and the star of the show is, you guessed it, chocolate. But not just any chocolate, my loves. We're using dark chocolate, which is packed with antioxidants. Now you might be wondering, Tabitha, what in the world are antioxidants? Well, imagine little superheroes in your body fighting off bad guys called free radicals. These free radicals can cause all sorts of trouble, but antioxidants are here to save the day. They protect your cells and keep your body healthy. And guess what? Dark chocolate is full of them. But hold on. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before we dive into this chocolatey goodness, we need to gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need a million things because we're all about keeping it simple and delicious. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of silken tofu, drained and patted dry, 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao because we want that rich flavor, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, feel free to adjust to your liking, honey, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a little dash of magic, and a pinch of sea salt. Just a pinch to enhance all those amazing flavors. See? I told you it was simple. Now let's get to making this magical mousse. Alright, my loves, let's move on to our second delightful dessert, coconut rice pudding. This recipe is so comforting and reminds me of my grandma's kitchen. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's enjoyed in so many cultures around the world. Speaking of cultures, did you know that rice pudding has been a beloved dessert for centuries and across continents? From Asia to Europe to the Americas, folks have been putting their own spin on this classic treat. It just goes to show that good food really does bring people together. Now, for our version, we're putting a tropical twist on it with creamy coconut milk. Trust me, the flavor combination is out of this world. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of white rice. You can also use brown rice for a nuttier flavor. 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. Make sure it's the good stuff. 1/2 cup of water. 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Again, adjust to your sweetness preference. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup of shredded coconut for topping, because we love a little extra something. Now, let's get cooking. First, rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch and prevents the pudding from becoming gummy. We want it nice and creamy, remember? In a saucepan, combine the rinsed rice, coconut milk, water, maple syrup, cinnamon, and salt. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is well combined. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and has absorbed most of the liquid. While the rice is simmering, let's talk a little bit about the star of this dish. Coconut. Coconut is such a versatile ingredient, you know? It adds a touch of sweetness and a whole lot of creaminess to both sweet and savory dishes. Plus, it's packed with nutrients like fiber, iron, and potassium. And did you know that in some cultures, coconut is considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity? It's true. So by using coconut in our recipe, we're not just making a delicious dessert. We're also inviting a little bit of good fortune into our lives. Alright, back to our rice pudding. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then give it a good stir and divide it among serving bowls. Sprinkle that delicious shredded coconut on top and get ready to dig in. This coconut rice pudding is best served warm, but it's also amazing cold. You can even make it ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator for a quick and easy dessert any day of the week. Alright, sweet friends, now, are you ready for a little surprise? We're about to dive into a dessert that's gonna rock your world, avocado lime cheesecake. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Avocado in a cheesecake. And let me tell you, honey, don't knock it till you try it. This ain't your mama's cheesecake. It's a creamy, dreamy, and totally vegan twist on a classic. Trust me, your taste buds are gonna be doing the happy dance. First things first, let's talk about our star ingredient, the avocado. This green goodness ain't just for guacamole, y'all. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and even more potassium than a banana. That's right, avocados are like little powerhouses of nutrients, and they make this cheesecake oh so smooth and decadent. Now, for that zesty, refreshing kick, we're bringing in the lime. The tartness of the lime juice perfectly balances the richness of the avocado, creating a flavor combination that'll have you saying, with every single bite. And the best part? This cheesecake is surprisingly easy to make. We're talking about a simple crust made with nuts and dates, a creamy avocado filling blended to perfection, and a burst of lime that'll have your taste buds singing. So my loves, get ready to indulge in a dessert that's as good for your body as it is for your soul. This avocado lime cheesecake is no dairy here, honey. We're keeping it plant-based and oh so delicious. Perfect for our gluten-sensitive friends. We're all about that natural sweetness. Seriously, y'all, this cheesecake is pure magic. Don't just take my word for it, though. Grab your avocados, squeeze those limes, and get ready to experience the magic of avocado lime cheesecake. Your taste buds will thank you. Well, my sweet friends, that's it for today's delicious journey into the world of vegan desserts. I had such a great time sharing these recipes with you, and I hope you feel inspired to get in the kitchen and whip up some plant-based goodness of your own. Remember, going vegan doesn't mean missing out on the sweet things in life. It's all about exploring new flavors, getting creative in the kitchen, and treating yourself to desserts that nourish your body and make your taste buds sing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more deliciousness. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay sweet and keep shining your beautiful light.